olive oil. This olive oil, as you guys can see, it's organic olive oil. It's still full. I just bought it, guys. It's still full. Make sure to look at the expiring date. Mine is expiring in 2022. Yeah. So, and these are my cloves of garlic. I've peeled it and I'm going to chop it. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'll be showing you guys this DIY, how I used to do my cuticle oil. Yeah, my cuticle oil. So many people have been asking me what I use for my nails. So I thought it wise to share with you guys what I really do use for my nails. So this is my cuticle oil. So I actually thought it wise to do it today because since I trim my nails, guys, I really trim my nails. As you guys can see, my nails are pretty short today. Pretty short. Yeah, pretty short. My nails are pretty short, and I just did my cuticle oil at home. As you can see, it's still full. I use it every night. So what I use garlic. I infuse garlic in an olive oil. First off, I wash I wash this bottle with any acetone or soap, and I dry the bottle so that it should be dry. I don't want any alcohol in it. And then I put the olive oil in it. When I put the olive oil, I then chop some garlic, like 1 clove or 2 cloves. It can do 1 or 2. You can do. You infuse it overnight. You infuse it overnight, guys. If you want results, infuse it overnight. Don't just do it like you do it and you start using it. It's not going to work. Just infuse it overnight so that it will work. So this is my cuticle oil, and as you guys can see, these are my nails, my natural nails, and I'm so loving it. I'm so into it. As you guys can see, the garlic is inside there. So if this is your first time you're watching my video, what are you waiting for, guys? Don't forget to subscribe. And I wish to say that just stay safe, guys. This pandemic is like really getting so much on us. Stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy. If you're going out, make sure to wear a mask, wear hand sanitizer, wear gloves, and keep your social distancing. It's always good to take all these little precautions to be healthy and to be safe. So this is my DIY. So this is it. As you guys can see, that's my DIY, guys. That's my DIY. So this is my cuticle oil. So I'll be applying it soon on my nails. I'll be posting more about my nail journey. So if you want to see how my nails are going to grow, you better subscribe to my channel so that you will see how my nails will grow. Thank you, guys. Until next time, see you. Love you guys. Bye.